Okay, guys, so as I mentioned before, we have already created 4 tables. So let me go back. So we have been asked to input these 4 tables, table 1, sales table, sales inventory, inventory, and customers table. So we have already created correctly over here. Okay, so once we created our tables, there's one more thing, which is very important, basically. We need to check whether our primary and foreign keys are actually correctly recorded. And then we need to check whether the data is actually correctly inputted into the system. So how can we do that? So we can actually create this kind of relationship table. So can you see? So this sales and sales inventory should be related. We need to create a relationship database. And then this table, can you see the arrow? So among the tables, there should be relationships. So if we have correctly recorded our data, we're going to get actually a perfect relationship database. Otherwise, if we made a mistake, then we may not find a relationship among the tables. So let us see. So in order to check it, so what we are going to do is go to create, and then query design. Can you see query design? So go to create, query design, click here, and then bring the customer table here, the sales table here. So as you can see here, the customer table and the sales table, they have been connected using the customer number, so it is fine. So let us bring the sales inventory table. As you can see here, they are not related. Okay, that means there is some issue. When you actually record our data, we made a mistake. So let us check. So as you can see here, the name of this ID, it is not correct, right? It's not the same. So this one sales inventory ID, but this one sales hyphen invoice ID, right? So we need to correct this one. We need to remove the hyphen here, and then we'll come back again, okay? So let us remove this table. Okay, let us remove this one as well. Let us remove everything, okay? So we'll create it. Remove this one. Okay, so let us correct this one. So the issue is only this one, the hyphen. So just remove this one. Okay, so now that is perfect. So let us come back to our query. Maybe let us create a new query, okay? So come to create, and then design query, and then bring customer table, the sales table, sales inventory table. As you can see here now, it is connected automatically. The reason is that the issue, this hyphen is removed. Now it is perfect. And then finally, let us bring the inventory table. So our tables are correctly recorded. Okay, that means we created a relationship data a database similar to this one. Can you see the arrows? So now we have finished the first part, which is inputting the table and creating a relationship database. So now what we are going to do is let us save this query. So save, right click, save. Let us rename it as checking query, okay? So as you can see here, when I save the checking query, it comes under query, but the tables, they come under tables, okay? Now the first step is over, okay? So now we directly proceed into the calculation parts. Great.